Welcome back to Chef Showdown at the Seafood and Sneakers Ball. The next category has begun and things are heating up.
This is my favorite battle so far, Battle Tuna. Two superstars of South Beach going at it right now. My friend Peter battling out of the black corner. My friend Massimo battling out of the white corner. Tuna is the entree.
Hi, I'm Peter Voti. I'm the executive chef of Red the Steakhouse, and I'll be participating in the Chef Showdown at the South Beach Seafood Festival. With tuna being our signature ingredient, that leaves it pretty wide open. Tuna is very, very versatile. We're gonna do a little bit of surf and turf kind of deal. So we're gonna do filet and tuna filet at the same time, but completely different ways. Kind of showcase what Red does and what we do with tuna as well.
Chef Peter Voti is from Red the Steakhouse, and most people would think that he's only a turf and not a surf guy, but he actually spent time on fishing boats in Alaska. His seafood is, I would say, as important to him as his steaks are.
Well, you know, when we open up Red in Maui, I want to make sure I'm prepared for that. So a little play on some tuna poke tonight and a little bit of certified Angus beef prime steak done a little Hawaiian style.
Copy on the Hawaiian style. Mahalo back, girl. I like what's going on over here.
I'm Massimo. I'm the executive chef at Cibo Wine Bar. The category that we're gonna have the showdown with Chef Peter is tuna. It's one of my main dishes, one of my products that I like to work with. And I'm gonna do a simple Italian recipe like cedar tuna with the Sicilian caponata. And I'm gonna serve with some crunched olives on the top. So I hope that the taste very light and fresh is gonna have the approval of the judge, and so I can beat the guy.
What do you got going on, Tutti Italiani?
Here we got Sicilian caponata, we got cherry tomatoes, a little of eggplant, garlic. We're gonna throw in some basil, so we're gonna have an explosion of flavor.
Oh man, it's gonna explode in your mouth.
I'm Larry Liptak. I am the lead chef instructor here at Le Cordon Bleu. I have a lot to do with training the chef instructors as well as student services, working with the students. We're gonna have a steakhouse versus an Italian restaurant. So it'll be really interesting in seeing the contrast of a classic dish and how they mend it to their style of cooking and their theme of their restaurant.
Right now, we've got Chef Vito, Chef Victor, battle Italian surf and turf. I've got short ribbon scallop on one side and scampi and meatball on the other. The time is 10 minutes and it starts now.
I'm Chef Vito DeSalvo, and I'm the executive chef of the Park Central Cafe. I'm super excited about the Chef Showdown. I'm gonna be making for the Chef Showdown a seared jumbo scallop with parsnip puree, pulled short rib, and microgreen salad. I have served this dish before. In fact, last year we served it at the Seafood Festival, and it was an amazing response, so we're definitely gonna do it again for the Chef Showdown.
All right, Chef, talk to me. I heard there was a sighting of parsnip puree on your station.
Absolutely. So most of these things take way too long to do in a 10-minute demonstration, so basically I had to pre-do a couple things, but this is our short rib that we basically deboned, braised for like 8 hours, nice and slow.
8 hours.
Nice ragu out of that. A little red wine, reduced down the sauce so it's very
slow
rich.
and low.
Slow and low. We took our parsnips, peeled them up, simmered those directly into cream.
Wow.
I'm Victor. I am the sous chef at Cafe Avanti, and I am super excited to participate at the Chef Showdown. I'm going up against Chef Vito from Park Central. I haven't heard much from him, but for what I hear, he's a great chef. Cafe Avanti is very known for its meatballs, and I think we will be bringing in the shrimp scampi, knowing that it's a seafood festival. So we'll pair it together to bring you guys a surf and turf Italian style.
All right, Chef, talk to me. What do you got going on?
We got our meat. Round it up.
Roll the ball. You gonna pop it in the oil?
Yeah, I'm pumping it right in the oil. It's nice
right in the oil. He's frying the meatball, ladies and gentlemen. There's meatball frying going here on the west side of the stage. Right in, look at that.
I'm really looking forward to Cafe Avante's shrimp scampi and meatballs. I mean, come on. That's like quintessential Italian comfort food. It's gonna be great.
My name is Fernando Deza, Executive Chef for Goya Foods. Well, I represent the company in media, doing TV in Spanish and English all over the country, in the US, Puerto Rico, South and Central America. I do radio, I develop recipes for a website, do cooking, participate in cooking events, judges, and develop products for the company as well. Cafe Avanti and Park Central and the Italian tradition of seafood, I can't really wait to see what they come with.